Hey, I'm Danny Fehrenbach, Manager of Surgical Services here at Norton West Louisville Hospital. I want to bring you all inside our facility today to show you what really sets us apart here in West Louisville. Let's go take a look. We're here inside one of our 2 operating rooms, and we've got some state-of-the-art equipment and features that make things that much better for our patients and staff. To start, we took a lot of the items that might usually roll around the OR and created what's called a boom system, meaning we've suspended them from the ceiling, and with the click of a couple buttons, we can move things around as we please. The lights, anesthesia machines, even those 4K monitors. We all know how important good lighting is, and that's why we've installed these state-of-the-art LED lights. They allow us to focus the light down to pinpoint accuracy, giving our surgeons the best possible view of what they're doing. These 4K capable monitors can swing anywhere in the room, from the head of the bed to the foot of the bed, whatever our team needs to get the best look. And what can you see on them? Anything. X-ray images, what our cameras may show us during surgery, it's all right here at 4 different angles. When the procedures are finished, it's time for our team to thoroughly clean our instruments and scopes. And I'll show you where we do that just down the hall in our sterile processing department. Once the instruments come here, they'll come to our state-of-the-art 3-sink system. Then the process begins and the appropriate enzymes and cleaners are added. From there, they'll go through the automated pass-through scope washer. This pumps even more enzymes, soap, disinfectant, and water through the scopes, making sure they're clean. After the instruments are clean, it's time to get them dried and repackaged. That happens over on the clean side. Once we take the instruments out of the automated washer, they'll head over to the drying cabinet for a bit and then on to one of our state-of-the-art wrap and pack stations. From there, they head their separate ways. The instruments head on over to the steam sterilizer, where 275 degrees of heat gets them nice and sterilized. The scopes themselves head here to these state-of-the-art active drying cabinets. They actively blow air and heat through our scopes, making sure no moisture remains. Once they're done, the light blinks green and they're ready for the next patient. Our tour concludes where the patient's journey ends, here in our recovery area. Our staff will monitor you, make sure you're doing well, and get you ready to go home. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our behind-the-scenes look at our surgical services department. Here at Norton West Louisville Hospital, we're committed to having the best equipment and staff to make sure you're safe and cared for.